I'm a woman aged 29. Hama dzangu, I'm in pain as I'm writing this. My ex-boyfriend got married last month. Vanwe, I'm still in pain. I don't know kuti ndoita sei. I know he has left me, but it's still hurting me because he had met all my family members, same with me. We had agreed on getting married January this next year, but I'm just heartbroken. A similar incident happened when I was 27. My ex-boyfriend impregnated someone and married her. When I was 25, the guy I was dating just blocked me in all his social media platforms. Ndipo pakapera relationship. Up to now, I have no answers. I have a nice job, I'm educated, but I do not know what's wrong with me. I have now realized that it's me who has a problem. Because sometimes I dream a black dog. Ndipo panopera my relationships. I have noticed that's where all my problems come from. I now want to have my own family. I started working soon after finishing varsity when I was 23. I have established a lot for myself, but munyama wacho wandinyanyira. To those vanoziva vanobatsira, please help me. I will follow my comments. I'm based in Harare hangu. Thanks kune vachabatsira.